Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about how can you whiten your discolored teeth. I'm Dr. Harleen, your award-winning cosmetic dentist with a decade of experience trained at the prestigious New York University. So let's talk about discolored teeth, right? So discoloration happens basically because of the staining on the surface of the teeth or if there is a change in the structure of the tooth, right? So we dentists typically divide the tooth discoloration into three parts. Either it can be an extrinsic stain, intrinsic stain, or age-related stain. Yeah. So what is an extrinsic stain? Extrinsic stains typically happen because of our habits, the food that we eat, the beverages that we drink, coffee stains, tea, green tea, red wine, balsamic vinegar. They all can lead to extrinsic stains. Yeah. Intrinsic stains are more because of the internal changes of the tooth structure. So, if a child at the growing age is exposed to water which has high levels of fluoride, they can get fluorosis, which can cause a typical staining of the teeth. It can also happen because of the tetracycline stage. That is, if in the second trimester of pregnancy the mother has taken tetracycline antibiotic, or the kid has taken tetracycline antibiotic at the age of around 8 years or a little more, then they can have those intrinsic stains. Yeah, and the age-related stains are a combination factor of both the intrinsic and the extrinsic stains. And they also happen because the topmost part of our tooth, that is the enamel, that really wears off. There is a thinning of it, and the lower part of the dentine shows more, which is a little yellowish in color. Yeah. So the treatment of the discolored tooth, first of all, depends upon what kind of stains you have. So let's talk about what causes all this discoloration. Yeah. So the food that we eat generally has a tendency to leave a little stain, surface stain, right? So the typical food would include tomatoes, especially in that pasta sauce, balsamic vinegar, coffee, tea, then red wine, and a lot of spices like especially we Indians, we eat a lot of curry, right? And with turmeric. Turmeric is can really give a yellowish tinge to all our teeth, right? So whatever stains a white shirt can stain your teeth. So what we should do is that whenever you are having a colored food, please rinse post that, so that the surface stain we can get rid of it. Yeah. So how can we avoid the discoloration? So we can use some simple methods to avoid the discoloration. First and the foremost is that after having a beverage that you think can stain your teeth, please rinse with water. Even after every meal, please rinse with water. So even juices like cranberry juice can actually stain your teeth. So just a simple thing of rinsing with water helps it, right? Then smoking is a very big factor that causes stains of your teeth. So I would suggest please reduce the consumption of your smoking. If possible, quit it altogether. It's not good for your smile, it's not good for your gums, it's not good for your overall health. Yeah. And one of the most important things that you can use for your smile, that is drink a lot of water. Water is your best friend. Yeah. So what is the solution, or what is it that you can do it yourself? You can do it at home to whiten your discolored teeth. So what I would advise is that there are home whitening gels that are available. Those are the hydrogen peroxide gels. I'll just show you what it is. So the percentage of hydrogen peroxide is really less in this gel, and it can be easily and safely used at home. Your dentist will fabricate a tray for you, and just apply these kind of gels in those trays and wear the tray, and your teeth will become whitened. What I don't suggest is usage of baking powder, charcoal toothpaste, lemon, and God knows what not. There are a lot of DIY techniques that I see on social media these days, and it really worries me because enamel is precious. Enamel is there to protect your teeth, and when you use all these things like baking powder, baking soda, lemon, and charcoal toothpaste, they can upgrade your enamel, and it can even lead to sensitivity in the longer duration. So that is something that I don't suggest. And so depending upon what kind of staining you have, for example, in a rare condition, some of the kids with dentinogenesis imperfecta, they have a little amber or a purple color discoloration, So whatever discoloration you have, what I suggest is visit your dentist, let them first identify what kind of stain it is and what is the best treatment of choice which is suggested for your condition, and you should do that accordingly. What you can do at home is that drink a lot of water, rinse after every meal, and go to your dentist in every 6 months for a professional cleaning, because that removes a lot of your superficial stains. Yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions related to teeth whitening or discoloration of your tooth, please do leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. You can even call us on our helpline number mentioned below. Thank you so much.